Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things makeup, and if that interests you, then be sure to subscribe. So these are going to be my 7 favorite nude fall lipsticks. I am a huge nude lipstick person. It's mainly the lipstick I wear the most. And yeah, so I'm very interested always in what people's favorite nude lipsticks are, because I feel like people have these like hidden gems, and every time you see a picture or a video of someone wearing like the perfect nude lip, I just want to know that combo. It's just like so interesting to me. Plus, everybody has their own kind of idea what a nude lip is and what shades look best on you. So I'm gonna go in with my #1 favorite first. This is one that I wore like throughout college. It's like my ride or die shade. I love this shade so much, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stripped Liquid Nude Lipstick. So this is like a nudish pink. For a while in college, I was really obsessed with wearing the shade Pure Hollywood, which is more of like a pink toned lip. Also, the formula of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, some people think they're very drying. I don't know, they wear very well on my lips. I like how I can wear this formula and eat food, and it doesn't like cause huge chunks of my lipstick to like come off. It just like wears off very natural to me, and I think it's super long lasting, and I love the applicator. And the shade is just, for me, a perfect nude lipstick. So this is definitely one I will just always go to. If I can't think of a good combo, this is the one I just always will go to. So I am gonna swatch this, and that right there is Stripped. It does dry a little darker. It looks a little different once it's dried, but that is the applicator. It's just like a sponge tip. And yeah, this is about $20, and this is like my #1 nude lipstick, and I just really love this for fall because pairing this with like a brown lip liner, I love it. It looks so good. So yeah, Stripped by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Since we're on the Anastasia Beverly Hills brand, anyway, since we're on Anastasia Beverly Hills brand, this is actually not it. That's not it either. This is it. Okay. Soft Touch. Like, I love this lipstick. This is also like $18. It's a matte formula, and it looks like a pink. I don't know. It's called Soft Touch. It's that one. They're very similar, but like it's so perfect. And I really like the shade on blondes in particular. I don't know, it just, when I do my friends' makeup and they're blonde, I really like to put this shade on them. I feel like it just looks so well. And that is her. It's called Soft Touch. It's $18, also by Anastasia. It also wears off very nice. And yeah, it's just a really good lipstick. And this is one that I just like Stripped. I can always put in my purse because I know that it like wears off nicely and it just looks so good. So Soft Touch, definitely recommend. Very, very pretty shade. So next, this is a lipstick I've had for a very long time. I want to say I had it since college. So actually it's a green dot because I used to work at Ulta for just a hot minute, and they do that to your lipstick so that way, it's for like a whole theft thing. But anyway, this is Nude Lust. 920 is the shade number by Maybelline, and I've had this for like, it's like cracking. Like, look how nasty that lipstick is. It's pretty gross. But anyway, it's so good. It's just like a really good nude shade, and it's like a brownie nude, lighter than the others. Also pairs so nicely with a brown liner. And just look, it's like the perfect nude. It's very light, and I think a lot of people know about this shade because it's a very popular shade. But yeah, I really like mine. I still have it. I still use it. I like to put it on the center of the lip. The only thing I will say about this Maybelline Nude lipstick, it's not as long lasting and it doesn't have a good smell, but it is very affordable and it is a drugstore and it's a really good shade and I love it and it's very popular. A lot of people know about this shade. So next, this is kind of, to me, maybe it's not a random brand, but I got this a long time ago in an Ipsy box. And it's by the brand Mellow. And you can tell the like gold is wearing off. And it's in the shade Posh. That's about how much I have left. And Posh, which I'm guessing is relation to Spice Girls Posh. And this is just like a nude red matte. That's that right there, and I love this for fall. It is so good, and I just love it because I feel like it's the exact same color of my natural lip, but just in a matte formula, and it's so pretty. And a lot of times I don't even need an eyeliner for this shade, but it does pair very well with a brown eyeliner. And it is like a matte formula. It's not as matte, as you can see, it's not as matte as the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, but it does wear off very nice. It's just like really pretty. And yeah, I'm like really was surprised how much I love this lipstick, and it's become one of my top lipsticks. And I never would have known about this if it wasn't for my Ipsy box. But it is by the brand Mellow, and yeah, I just really love this lipstick, Posh. I have gotten a lot of use out of this. The name is like worn off at the bottom there, and if you like Posh Spice and if you like a redder toned nude lip, this is a perfect nude lip and it's perfect for fall. The next is a very popular lipstick. This is the Kim Kardashian Classic Kim lipstick. This is like a peach tone. See, like the more peachy tone, like an oranger tone nude. It's very, very matte. I love the packaging as always. Kim's nude lips are just like iconic and goals, and that's Kim at the bottom, Classic Kim. It's almost the same as Posh. It's a little bit more orange toned, almost the same as Posh, which is up there. And it's a lot like Soft Touch, but Soft Touch is more pink. Isn't it funny how they all look the same, but they're not? But yeah, so it's more orange tone. It's really good. It's really dark, so I have to make sure I have like a really good tan, because sometimes it just doesn't look like a nude lip. When I have a good tan going, it's phenomenal. This came in like a trio with a gloss and a liner. So good. I love all the shades, or I love all the part of the kit. And yeah, so this is a perfect fall nude lip, Classic Kim. A little pricey. I think the lipstick alone is like $18. But it's nude. It does wear off nicely, but yeah, it's a really good shade and highly recommend Classic Kim. This is actually the only lipstick I own by her, but I really want to try out others because this was such a good lipstick. But yeah, Classic Kim. Next, this is a Sephora collection. This is the Sephora Lipstories Satin Cream, and this is in the shade Made in Italy. This is like another reddish brown tone nude shade. This one is actually a cream. I don't know why it says satin cream because it's definitely not, but there it is down there. It's like a red brown toned cream lipstick, not matte and not satin, definitely cream, but super pretty. I love this also on blondes. I don't know, it's very pretty. It's red tone. It looks good on so many people. Also, you don't really need an lip liner with this, but a brown lip liner does pair very well. And yeah, it doesn't look like any other on my hand, but looks like the Bare All by Maybelline's like the nudist one. But yeah, it's so pretty, and everyone I put this on really likes it. So I feel like no one talks about these lipsticks, but the cream formula though is not as long lasting as the other lipsticks on my hand, but yeah, I really like it. I think it's a perfect fall nude lipstick. Next, I have Colourpop Lipsticks, and this is in the shade Cookie. I like always put this in my cart when I would shop on Colourpop and I would never buy it. And I'm so happy I bought it because it's perfect. Like, I love this shade. It's just so pretty and it's like the perfect fall nude. It's definitely a more light red tone. It's like right there. They all look the same actually. This one looks a lot like Soft Touch, but it's a cream formula. And there's Colourpop Cookie. It says matte on the bottom of my thing, but it's definitely not matte. That is for sure a cream, and it's so pretty. One time I was like wearing it and I just like forgot. I think I was just like trying it out or something, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just love this shade, and it wore so well. Not as long lasting as the other ones, but I really like the way it looked and pairs very well with a brown lip liner, and also very affordable. I think this was only like $6 or $8. But yeah, Cookie by Colourpop and the Lipsticks. Highly recommend. And it has a super easy twist up. It's like the shape of your lip. If you ever used these before, it's very nice. And yeah, highly recommend it for a perfect fall lip color. And so guys, that completes my 7 favorite fall nude lipsticks that I highly recommend, because I know if you try these out, you will not be disappointed. Go ahead and comment below some of your favorite nude lipsticks and any kind of fall lipsticks, because I would love to check them out. Like I said, I am just obsessed with trying out nude lipsticks and finding out people's formulas and like favorite nude lipsticks. Like, I love it. Because like everybody has different tastes when it comes to nude lipsticks. So that completes this video. Actually, I'm gonna go over the lip I'm wearing right now. I filmed a video on a nude lip and not talk about the nude lip I'm wearing. So this is the KKW Beauty Classic Kim lip liner. It's like a brown lip liner. I like to personally pair my nude lipsticks with a brown lip liner. And then the very controversial Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, As If shade. I love this. It's like a nude pink, and I love it. I love mixing it with the brown. I've had no issues with this lipstick whatsoever, and I love it, so I still use it. And yeah, but it's a really good shade. And then I put in the center of my lips, this is Bare All, which actually I'll just swatch these. This is a very nude. This is like MAC Myth dupe. You can't even see it because it's like the exact same color as my hand, but that is it right there. That very nude, nude, nude shade. And I just put it on the center to just add more definition. And I'm gonna swatch As If. As If is above that, which is like, you know, a really pretty pink nude shade, much lighter than the others. And then I'll go ahead and swatch the brown lip liner, which looks like that. And so that is all of them, all the pretty shades, perfect nude lips for fall. And that completes this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and don't forget to comment below your favorite nude lipsticks, nude lipstick combos, or fall lipsticks. All right, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.